Yeah, I remember the first time. Me and my cousin Stumpy were out on the west side of the East Chippewa mountain range, hunting mole. We was out there about 2 or 3 days. No food, no water. Come across a big old mole hole. He says to me, "You take it. I'll go find another one by myself." I said, "All right." So I'm standing there. We had our two-way radios. I was bending over and I had one of them 20-foot antennas on. And I was bending over, getting ready to get the mole. When all of a sudden, wham, it hit me. That was the first time I got touched by the hand of God. It hit me like, it felt like I got kicked square in the butt, except it was in the face. Right there, that's when I knew. Getting hit by lightning was for me. Now, granted, it ain't for everybody, you know, but just that feeling of its power, you know, it hit me good, and that's when I got stuck. It did have its drawbacks and all, you know. I gotta wear these funny little blue glasses to see it, otherwise I couldn't see a darn thing. But Jiminy Crickets, if it wasn't fun. Yeah, that was the first time. Wasn't the last. But oh boy, nothing's like the first time.
First time I ever got struck by lightning, it was 1864. Battle of Charlottesburg. Stephen Crane had just finished writing The Red Badge of Courage, and he said to me, "Hey, Methuselah, wanna go get struck by lightning?" Well, you know, I was just a kid at that point, and I didn't know about this big city newspaper ways, so I sort of tagged along. He hung around with a rough group, and we went out to a nearby hill. And there we sprayed some lubricant all over ourselves, like I'm about to do now. Then, superconductive lubricant. It was general issue during the Civil War years, later used in the Spanish-American War. Remember the Maine, they all said, and then we all went out and got struck by lightning. Well, there we were on the hill. The lightning came down, showering our writhing, naked pre-Civil War bodies, and it was the most amazing experience I've ever had. You know, you can do your drugs, and you can go hang gliding, and you can go bungee jumping, and you can shoot things into your veins, but you have never lived, I tell you, until you ionize the 3-block radius. So that's about when I decided to join the Lightning Catchers Club. Lightning Catchers Club has been, well, going pretty strong now, nigh on these 128 years. And, well, you know, my co-founder, he's nothing but a wisp of smoke, but we have him in a vial up in the offices upstairs.
Un día yo estaba en la casa de mi papá para una celebración del 5 de mayo. Entonces estaba bebiendo cerveza y tequila. Oh, tequila. Yo estaba en otro mundo, tequila. Entonces mi papá se llamó Jesús. Y yo me digo, ¿qué? ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Tú quieres jugar béisbol, Jesús? ¿Tú quieres jugar béisbol? Sí, yo quiero jugar béisbol. So estaba mi papá, María, Erísimo, Miguel. Estaba jugando, tú sabes, béisbol. Entonces estaba lloviendo. Ay, carajo, estaba lloviendo. Entonces estaba aquí, estaba lloviendo, no le va, está lloviendo, no quiere. Yo estaba jugando béisbol y dice, está lloviendo, película. Y yo, ¿qué? ¡Ay, carajo! Estaba bueno, con tequila y un poquito de lightning. Gracias, lightning, Carlitos.
There ain't anything like getting struck by lightning. Twice in the same place, if you can help it. Now, my cousin Jeffrey, he goes out with all of his friends every weekend and he drowns himself. I say it's too expensive. Catching lightning in the head, catching lightning all along the side of your body. I even know people that got their circumcisions by electrocution. Ain't nothing like it in the world. Bear man because of it. Now, who let those birds in here?
Basically, I got into lightning catching and inventing lightning catching devices with my Uncle Maury. Uncle Maury. He used to take me out, play games together. Games I couldn't tell my parents about. Said they wouldn't understand. We used to run in the fields and get naked. And lie in the field.